Every time I come from a big trip, there is some box or the other. This is something unique because this box is from B&W India. I don't know what's inside this box. This is an entirely a big surprise for me. So let's open and see. Oh, these are the engine protectors for the Scrambler 1100. I think I can install them on my own. Quite heavy here. We'll install it later. That's from B&W. I don't remember ordering this here. Surprise gift from B&W. It's a laptop bag. I know that. Letter. Oh, this is sweet here. Looks cool, right? This letter is because I participated in that B&W R90 auction. Because I was in the auction, they sent me this gift. Thank you so much, B&W. So this is a full leather B&W bag. Nice, decent storage. Definitely would fit a 16-inch laptop. Pockets. Storage here. Good. Advantage of participating in an auction is you might not get the bike, you might not take the bike, but you'll still get a bag. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog and welcome to Hyderabad. The trip's done. Feels so good to be back here in this lovely weather in Hyderabad. Nice, pleasant, calm, no sweat, no humidity, no extreme cold. Perfect balance, just the way I like it. First up I want to know is, how did you like the Leh series? Did you like it? And in case you're new to this channel, please go check it out, especially that Pangong video. I put in some effort into that and I love the way it came. It took me 3.5 hours to shoot the time lapse, and eventually it was what, 10-15 seconds, but totally worth it. That all, I mean, camera did most of the job, but still someone needs to use an instrument, right? Like you can give a guitar to anyone, but someone still needs to play it, right? Same way, you can give a camera to anyone, but someone still need to use it in the right way. So I hope you enjoyed my album, the Leh album, and especially that Pangong song. We wish we stayed longer, but family comes first, so we had to come back. And all is good. Naisha is doing well, which I'm glad for. And the bikes are here in Hyderabad. In fact, they were here last night. But obviously night time we won't have the showroom technicians to help us unload it. We can unload it, but my bike is due for service. We all agreed to get it delivered at the showroom so that it's a center point. It's easy to handle. Only risk was trucks are not allowed in daytime. So I hope the truck reaches the showroom without an issue and he goes back also without an issue. It's almost 2 o'clock. We'll have a quick lunch and then head to showroom to make sure the bikes are unloaded safely. My bike will be there for service. Rest of the bikes will be collected now or later. That's the plan. The truck is here and the bikes are hopefully there. All good. Bike delivery done. Now the important thing, COVID testing. Are you positive to get tested?
We'll check. Stay tuned.
You don't see it, but my eyes were red. They almost popped out.
My left eye was red.
Delhi guy was the best. He did it so easily and nicely. Tenet always happens like. Chalo, now all the duties are done. Bikes are picked up. Hi, boy.
What's up, boy?
Asana style. ఏంటి హైదరాబాద్
లేకుండే కదరా కొంచెం
వెరీ డీసెంట్ బాయ్ ఫ్రమ్ డీసెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ
కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ తర్వాత
ఏ టచ్ కూడా చేయలేదు ఓవర్ యాక్షన్.
కొడతారే ఎందుకు రిలీజన్ తో జోక్స్ వేస్తారు నాకు అర్థం కాదు. నువ్వే మాట్లాడాలా అది నువ్వు ఆగరా
వాడి బట్టలు చింపి ఇన్ని రోజులు పాపం జీయించుకోవట్లేదు.
నీ వల్ల అది నువ్వు మాట్లాడి నేను చూసుకుంటా ఆగు.
మన బైక్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చేసాయమ్మా. ఆల్ బైక్స్ ఆర్ సేఫ్ కండిషన్. యూ హ్యాపీ విత్ ద బైక్?
వెరీ హ్యాపీ విత్ ద బైక్.
రిటర్న్ కొత్త బండేనా?
అంటే
అక్కడ జిఎస్
1250 GSA ఉందట.
వెళ్ళి చూసినారా కలర్ స్కీమ్ బాగాలేదు.
నీ బ్లాక్ అండ్ ఎల్లో
రాపే కదరా ఇప్పించేది ఏదైతే
నీ బ్లాక్ అండ్ ఎల్లో
సీట్ ఎల్లో ఉంది మామ.
సీట్ అప్ వద్దులే. Can't comment much.
వెరీ పోలరైజింగ్ కలర్ స్కీమ్.
Which you like?
యానివర్సరీ ఎడిషన్.
Which you like?
అంటే I've already used that color scheme on my 850 for like a year, so I need a new.
Different, huh? శివ
నేను ఇంకా చూడలేదు రా బైక్ ని.
అదే అదే
2 కిలోలు మట్టి వెళ్ళిపోయింది బైక్.
ఇక్కడే కనిపిస్తుంది శివ తమ్ముడు. వాడు అయితే అన్న
న్యూ పెయింట్స్
ఆఫీస్ లో శాలరీ ఇట్లా అడుగుతున్నాడు వాడు.
చెప్పరా చతుస్సాగర్ పర్యంతం
నువ్వు చెప్పురా.
నాకు అర్థం వచ్చు.
ప్రవర సాబట్టి.
ఏదో కొత్త లాంగ్వేజ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు మా వల్ల కాదు.
So I'll tell you.
బేసికలీ
Actually,
in Brahmin. So, if you have to introduce yourself, you just can't say.
వాళ్ళకి 2 hours చెప్తారు ఇప్పుడు మనం
Okay, bye.
we got our bikes, catching us later. Very rarely do I open the sunroof in this car. The weather out there is amazing today. Today is a Tuesday. I would love to get the Ducati out tonight if possible, if I'm in the mood for. But we need to edit the videos. Still pending, still 1 or max 2 videos pending from the Lay series. Want to wrap it up soon. And then by the time you see this video, it should be done. What a lovely day out there today. Just loved it. And as you saw, the bikes are here, safe. Chaitanya took it for detailing. Shriman's gonna get new lights fixed, auxiliary lights. Shiva's gonna get the rear brake checked. And mine full service. That's the update on the bikes. I've been seeing a lot of requests about the cost of transportation. So it costed us 95,000 for all 4 bikes, and the name of the transport is JCM Transport. He was just a facilitator. He didn't transport the bikes. He coordinated with someone in that area, found a truck for us, and we shipped the bikes back through them. We had to purchase the cage and those cinch straps extra because the ones that were available in the truck were very few. There were 8, we needed 16. They could still pack the bike with those 8, but it's just that but it was just not perfect. Like the bike had to be on the side stand. Never transport your bikes with the side stand or the center stand on. It has to be cinched completely either to the platform or in a cage. If you, let's say you get a bad bump and if the side stand's on, it can break or bend. Same thing with the center stand. That's the damage that happened to my bike in the first transport case. But this time the transport was perfect, no issues at all. We might definitely do it. It's just that there are a few things that I didn't like because this guy was facilitating it. I wish we had more straps that could have saved at least half a day for us. And packing those bikes in Chandigarh heat or humidity was crazy, man. I wish we could avoid that. Another update about trip cost. So it costed us roughly 1.5 lakhs per person. This is on the expensive side. We lived in the costliest of hotels. Because of COVID, we wanted to make sure we live in hotels that felt safe. Except for Sercho, I think rest of the hotels were fine. Last time when we went to Leh, the most expensive hotel that we stayed was 4,500 per night. At that point of time, we were fine with that because there was no COVID and all. This time we wanted to take some extra precautions. Got ourselves tested, all are negative, so that's clear. Now we can get close to our family because since we came, we've been isolating ourselves in our rooms. It's hard, but at least 4 or 5 days ke baad we take the test. And once the test reports are come, we mingle with the family. That's the norm. To be honest, that's how me and Shriman, at least, who have been traveling since last year, we have been in safer place. Still, Shriman got COVID. So please take care, guys. We're not done with COVID yet. Make sure you have the mask on and also follow COVID protocols like sanitizing your hands regularly and also maintaining that social distancing. One last thing about the cost of transport, cost of the trips and all. You can go with a budget of 50,000 to as high as possible. It just depends on your needs, your requirements. We had certain requirements and priorities. That's why probably 50,000 more than what it costed us last time. And last time we were there for 23 days. This time only 16 or 17 days. So in that regard, this is probably more expensive than what it should be. But TK, once in a while, I don't think we would do Leh again till another 2-3 years. So definitely worth it. Enjoyed the trip. Hope you enjoyed the series. In case you're new to this channel, please check out the videos. I'm closer to my 100k target. August 15th is the time that I want to finish the target with. We have another 20 days. So it's gonna cut close, but for all those 4 out of 10 people who don't subscribe but watch my videos, it would be really great if you can support me cross that milestone. I'll explain once I cross the milestone why it is important. For me, content is important, like that Pangong time lapse. I wish more people see it. That video got 50,000 views, whereas bike transportation video got 90,000 views. So I'm not sure how YouTube works out. I have an idea why it's happening, but if it's not concrete, no point sharing it with you. All I request is your continued support, at least till I reach 100k. After that, we'll see where God takes us. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this at night time, have a good night and take care. Bye-bye.